Good morning and welcome to the site view on Asake Online. My name is Leslie Moyo. Part of our mandate in this program is to interface with rural communities, finding out what are the socio-economic challenges, the service delivery challenges, as well as development challenges that they are facing in their localities. Recently, we visited Ward 4 in Tokwana village under Bulilima district in Plumtree, where we spoke at length with the villagers there, as well as their local representative, that is the Ward 4 councillor, Mr. Viganani Ndlovu, who highlighted to us some of the challenges that they are facing, as well as their development priorities that they've set out in terms of improving the lives of their communities. Let's get to hear more from these villagers.
Mina ibizo lami nguMakabongwe eMeblokhophe, ngihlala eNyele esigabeni seHadzika.
So ama-challenges elihlangana nawo in terms of i-service delivery lapha endaweni
Thina ngapha emgwaqweni sihlangana lobunzima ukuthi umgwaqo sungamagodigodi. Sikhangelane futhi lo hlupho lokuthi izinkwa sizitholi kahle kahle, amabheka abuye, umgwaqo uhambeki, kulobhuqu kwezindawo kwasekuwagugudeka kumfula.
so selike lazama yini ukuthi likhulumisane labaphathi besigaba ukuthi bezama ukulungisa imigwaqo?
Sekuke kwabuya abanye balungisa kodwa hayi akulungisekanga ngendlela eqondileyo.
So amanye ama-problems elihlangana lawo ngokungabi khona kwemigwaqo yiwaphi?
Silama ama-ambulance akwanisa ukufika ngapha. Okunye futhi asikwanisi ukuthi abantu sithole indlela zokuhamba masinyane. Ngokuthi imoto ezincane azikwanisi ukuhamba vele.
So njengoba likhuluma ukuthi ama-ambulance awafiki, nxa abantu befuna ukuyafinyelela ezibhedlela bahamba ngani?
Bahamba ngezimota lezi ezokuhaya. So uhlupho lukhona, imali ayikho. Mase kukuthi uma usuhaya imota imali ayibingekho, kodwa kuba lula ma kule ambulance.
Ibizo lami nguSihle Moyo, ngisuke eNyele esigabeni seHadzika.
Ama-challenges elihlangana lawo endaweni in terms of i-service delivery ngawani?
Sihlangana lohlupho lwamanzi. Uhlupho lwamanzi.
Uhamba njani indaba yamanzi?
Amanzi thina lapho esihlala khona siyakha eNyele. Sisuka uma ngokuthi ungahamba 30 minutes usiya ukojika futhi 30 minutes ufuqa ibhara.
So like what happened to ama-sources awamanzi lalilawo endaweni?
Umgodi yafa.
So lalile mgodi engafika phose ngapha?
Esigabeni sethu besilomgodi oyi-1.
Elomgodi oyi-1. So elifisa ukuthi kwenziwe ngendaba yamanzi?
Bengasincedisa ukusigebhela imigodi. Sikwanisa ukuncediseka ngamanzi. Singakwanisa ukusilimela le mibhida yethu sibe sisitshebela.
So amanye ama-challenges elihlangana lawo njengabomama abahlala emakhaya ababekhangela abantwana, amanye ama-challenges elihlangana lawo ngokuswelakala kwamanzi wabo?
Ayikuthi asikwanisi ukwenza lutho ngaphandle kwamanzi. Ngoba nxa amanzi sekuseduze singakwanisa ukusilimela isitshebo sisithengisele amatamatisi, imbhida, into ezinjalo nje.
Mina ngiqinisela Ndebele, ngisuka kunamagandiya esigabeni seLulo, siyibahopi lapha kuTokwana okule lisingo khona. Lami nje lapha ngiyaqala ufika la i-first time yami, ngizofunda lami ikhashana le khonapha, ngithi ngizofunda ikhashana khonapha ngingakwazi okuningi ngayo kakhulu, kodwa ngikwazi ukuthi into esingethusa ukuthi into engigada lapha kwathiwa ngikhona mina ngingagada lapha uyakwanisa ukuphendula kumbe ndakwazi ungaphendula. Mina kimi khona okungethusile ngathi hayi nawe ngangcina nxa kuyidansa yehle ngihle ngihlale nginjalo ngingayehlanga, ngibe lokhu mpotapota lapha khona ngoba kuthiwa ngona uyehle lapha ngakungani kunjani njani. So lami ngizotesta lami ukuthi ngibone ngi-right esikhalangeni kithi lapha engazalelwa khona angikho right, ngoba mina lapha esikhalangeni la ngazalelwa kitchen elomlilo kwasajeni ngale church. So bengizobuza lami ukuthi ngikhona ngizwe ukuthi amadlozi alapha esikhalangeni amvumela ukuthi ngiyehle yini lami lapha namuhla ngizinikelile.
So katile wayehla.
Angayehla. Ngikhathesi ngiphezulu sona ngishaya uvalo ukuthi ngizayehla yini khona. Khathesi laba lami nginje so ngivuyile ngabona khona apha ama-ruins ethu nakasilawani. So khathesi semile ukuthi ngibona mbonti ngiyayehla yini. Lana ngizothi lingabona ngingasayehlanga. Hayi libe kwazi ukuthi hayi ngisentabeni nalela ngikhona apha ngibhota khona ngoba isiko lethu esilala. Into engizwile ngigada la. Kwatha wena uzayehla yini phezulu ngale. Ngathi hayi mani ngiyobona. Ngase mbuya khona apha ngimele ukuthi ngiyehleke mbonti ngizayehla angikwazi. Kodwa ngicale ndingeni ngayehla ngala lendingeni lifoni ukuthi ngikhona kumbe ngikho. Ngiyakwazi usala khona namuhla. So hayi into lami engayisho ngendawo nale. Ngokuzile kuyiyo ngayo abakutsho ngayo bona. Yikho la iyakhiwe. Anje labona ukuthi ngale ngakhangela anje lingabe liyazi iCameroons. Ndiyayazi ndiyabona ukuthi ngani kuyahambelana. Mina iCameroons ngiyayazi kodwa lapho bengakafiki. Ngingakaboni ukuthi ngana kunjani but ngithe ngikhangela ngabona ukuthi akuyafanana. Into ede sengidinga lapho kungani kanikela khona engane ngikubonanga ukuthi ngani thayafika yanikela njani angakuboni kodwa ngisazokudinga lami. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi kuyafanana ngama-ruins. And i-ruins yiyo kumbe ngiyaphambanisa hayiyo. Yikho lapho lami engakutsho culture yethu yakotokwana ePlumtree khona.
Imilo Viganani Ndlovu ndimi councillor Ward 4. Ward 4 kunobe kukunwani kaLushingwe. Ndilebeka kanjalo tipa Lushingo. Mu Ward 4 apatina ama project manjinji achi work in progress. Kokuthi antoziva ukuthi to complete ikuthi complete in a way yokuthi ungathi mali vanhu vanginila because the majority of them say for example Sangweni wali mu Ward 4 ndina ma clinic anovakiwa L3 osano that na clinic kunyele clinic atokwana clinic Makumbi. They are all going also amakachipelele atokwana is now operational. Dzimwe dzose dzachirufio kwashishota zvimwe kungokwa kana ma cottage nema septic tanks and the sewer system ndio zvimwe zvichatilova zvinongavhula. Atintave ne enough water mu area hayi vhula ke inolamba ngobe sekumakumbi vele we don't have atina yovhula vele penepa clinic inochekwa kusipana. Tina nekwele futhi chimwe chatakavaka chezvompata I work in progress zvayo but last year chakaenrola ma ECD now ngona libache ma grade 1s taine imwe block yatachivaka manje tasitaka nje mbija nane roofing ngove vanhu vagala vetidonetela vanhu vaku diaspora now I think they are fatigued ngove everything kose maclinic anoleva ndio vanotama. Tina even girls dormitory atinovaka kutokwana high school na iyo we svika pa roof level but itonga tinonda tiwa timuka zvinhu zvakhona slow because we don't have enough money but hayi kochovha sivili zvinhu zvatinoyemula kuti zvive zvakatiwa ntolo so far takachi requesta kuti tipegegwe vocational training center gove tovona kuti vana vanjisa vanosiya kwele but where would they go hakuna employment vakafanira kuti vazvifundise mihingwe mavoko ndio kuti vangazvichidza so tichina challenges khoma muno mu Ward 4 inohaka civil assistance nevamwe vanhu vangatichidza civil ngove kuna vulemonyana toshova civil kwa hakuna vulemonyana. However ativyatidzali time ye refresher titongobona matongo edu titongokholisa zvedu tihangana takakhana. We are very happy kuti nasi kwegolele litakuta for 2 days tatili papa hulo na nasi tipapa ndovona konda kuimprove naikovo futi will enjoy it. However tatiyemula kuti nevano vyavobona papa vamwe vanohapa vekatongotsatsa vakavona zvakazvilipo pasi ntolo tatiyemula kuti katseni avevuya kuve chinozibwa naivo vasiye phela mbijana ngove vanhu vekolomola apo vesiya kusina chavasiya. Ndandikumbula kuti katseni tingawana away yokuti like all my monuments, I want to great Zimbabwe, no go to Sambija. So na papatati emula kuti kuzena sho kuti khave pa ma projects that now kwakuti khava that money Maria ina nukunusa ina njise khomana tati khaka ko gato etingatate ma visitors it would be just a nominal fee that I charge. Yeah.
And then you also spoke about Uti Ama Youth, Viasilela, Ama Vocational Centers, the one that you have, you're still trying to build it. So in the meantime, what are some of the challenges that you have noted, especially amongst abantwana basakhula ngokuswela into yokwenza?
All right, abantwana baswela into zokwenza what they simply resort to ikuyatakwa. The majority of them are disappointed. The future abantwana yabo ukuthi lahlekile because kusuke kuseni umuntu usesitolo and unfortunately iprice yotshwala bangikhona obubataka is too low. Nge-10 rand umuntu usetakiwe so indaba ye-drug and substance abuse lapha ikhanya vele ikhula yeli sibili siyakubona angikwazi ukuthi how are going to control it. That's why sicabangela ukuthi singabantu lokuyizinto abangakufunda abayabe kwenza bekhonapha at least maybe kungabangcono ngono situation yakhona is not so good. It's not so good really because they've already given up. They've given up hope. I don't believe what life inganda ikabe right imbeli nentaye chimocha bali muchile. However, tolamba tigwisa unfortunately sessions ramuna hakuna counseling yavanwana avanani noveli too much ma drugs wengu bonga senumpenga high subnormally atina that support service that no one particularly good social welfare inodila neyo vanonga vana problem yema drugs atinayo complete.
And then kula manye ama villages sesike saxoxa lapho bake bareza indaba yemgwaqo ukuswelakala kwemgwaqo lapha kuni affecta ongakanani kuwathi
ku-affecta kakhulu because even ilokuzeni ungakhangela ukuthi i-distance esibhadalela 100 rands from Plumtree it's less than 30 something kilometers. Yet you have to compare the Usuga Goblawa, Usia Plumtree, you can pay $4. Which means for 30 kilometers, no badala, Marino Sugar $5. Kantige to Bulawai, you pay $4. 400 kilometers, about badala, only a third of that chain is very disappointing. The reason being, my roads are cornered. Every operator motor inofa. They are not accessible. Manje these other feeder roads. Akalingisana na Shive Council. Tinawutra the whole district in Gonal Tangamanikana. Not even a grader. So I think kohaka intervention. Ngove as we are. Akolamba sibila kungandembele imigwaqo ela so bad and especially with the rainy season is just starting kobe worse.
So maybe nxali khulumisana maybe labantu be government in terms of trying to rehabilitate ama roads, how if you try to engage them on that level ukuthi bekwanisa ukulincedisa since the responsibility of fixing ama roads lies mostly with them.
Yes, atoyeza sibili toyeza chova lokuzeni yakhona. Chimwe chakati kona sangwenwali tina another feeder road inongubuda mu Ndolwane road inda ku up to Gambu Ntoli. Ya afanda kuti igrade yewe. Council didn't have enough money kuti employ vanhu vano clear road and the end result kwagcina kwakona ukuthi ilungisiwe vanhu they were not willing kuhinga kusina anything so nona ma roads koti mani kanya sivile ma national roads well I think itachimba Lubumbogo for quite too long and you can't expect at least a change tengo lingabo koga takalele koga jalo. I don't have an option.
Siyabonga kakhulu council. Mepengco ngabe kukhona yini okunye lifisa ukukhuluma nesigaba senu singakukhavanga for more questions
Yebo, kukhona sibi. Mina ngiyafisa ukuthi ekathewe abantu twana vanhu thamila ma projects abomunhu kuna ma chances ukuthi tingata ma projects anonga vo brick molding vo lokuzeni and even some big gardens not ma nutritional gardens atingata for marketing purposes. So kwa ma partners atinojoinana nawo ukuthi ma projects akhona abudilile. And ndandi kumila nema projects evula. If we can have one not incedisa pavula, it's an advantage this river Tekwani Guntai. We can do a river sand abstraction. This maybe on top of a mountain. Then to distribute my drinking points and go as it is going on. Even one ziba lingangwane ngombe tovukula nema for. So if we can have an advantage, we to extract water to some tank, then to some what my drinking places, manjinji, to cater for food, because the muka the muhango, tinazo muka papa, all my zilawa, tinavo mala, tinavo ngululu mem, there are so many animals, my wild animals, with the nezo was okay, by no one food. They are forced with those long distances, madam. Go dam level 3 is a distance, dam level 11 is a distance, a leper 80 dries up quickly. There's far footy from this place. So we need just around the river. Kuno be iko futhi kunogala sifone luba kunjinji nemuka zehang. Kube nema sources evula asingapheli.
So like njengoba mention wild animals, do you ever like have any problems in terms of human and wildlife conflicts? So ligela bala ma cases anjalo.
Atina sibili hayi ndingati akaba fatalise a few years ago about 2 or so. Tina nkaskulu wakabulwane nyathi. She was got to death. Ahangana naenda sokuminda. So kwakabe very unfortunate. But ziapo that no galanazo who are with the local force anyway, like jackals, baboons, hyenas, we live together and they feed on our stock. We don't have a way out of it because they are always there. And they are there perennially. Hakuna golela ungawana hakuna mele, hakuna munguke, hakuna makudu. And makudu anodwati anokwanisa ati kuminda anomocha. Ngeno kuzvipfuwa anolova, huku anodla. So dzimwe mhuka but akute izi dzibulaye natizojayela bulayewo makudu vele. So togala nadzo but at least dzoti pabukhaya.
So development and service delivery remains a top priority for most communities, especially in rural communities around the country. As we have heard from the Ward 4, that is Tokwana villagers in Bulilima district, we're speaking about the challenges that they're facing in their area. Hopefully, these issues will then be escalated to a local government level as well as central government level, and they will be attended to in due time. Let's meet again in the next edition of The Side View. My name is Leslie Moye. It's goodbye for now.